It's the question every beginner asks and every veteran debates. Is programming actually fun? To some, it's a modern superpower. To others, it's a digital headache. But the truth is somewhere in between. Today, we're going to break down the science, the psychology, and the sheer joy of code. At its heart, programming is the ultimate building set. You start with nothing but an idea. The creation high is real. There's something magical about typing lines of text and seeing a product come to life. It feels like God mode for the digital age. You set the rules, you build the world, and you solve the problems. But building is only half the story. The real fun often comes from the challenge. If you enjoy Sudoku, crosswords, or logic games, programming is basically that, on steroids. Every bug is a mystery, and every feature is a complex riddle waiting to be solved. That aha moment when the code finally runs? That's where the dopamine hits the hardest. Of course, getting there can be a grind. You might spend hours chasing a single missing semicolon, but that frustration makes the eventual success feel earned. It's a cycle of struggle and reward. When the struggle fades and the rhythm takes over, you enter something called the flow state. Flow is that deep state of immersion where time disappears and your brain operates at peak efficiency. You sit down at 8 p.m. and suddenly it's 3 a.m. For many, this intense focus is the most enjoyable part. It's a form of creative expression. You aren't just calculating, you're crafting an experience. Stereotypes suggest programmers are loners, but the community is where a lot of the fun lives. Open source projects allow you to collaborate with brilliant minds from across the planet. Solving a massive problem as a team is an incredible bonding experience. It's a shared victory. And there's always someone to help you learn, making the journey feel less daunting and more social. To be fair, we have to talk about the parts that aren't so great. The technical debt and the burnout. Sometimes you hit a wall, sometimes the documentation is terrible, and the tools just won't work. The pressure to keep up with fast-changing technology can be exhausting and lead to burnout. The fun depends heavily on your environment and how you balance the work with rest. With AI and new tools, the way we code is changing. Is it getting more or less fun? AI is taking away the boring, repetitive tasks, leaving more room for high-level creative thinking. It's becoming easier for anyone to build their dreams, which makes the entry point much more fun. If you love learning, programming is a never-ending playground of new ideas. So, is programming fun? The answer is, it's the most fun frustration you'll ever experience. It's fun because it's hard, it's fun because it's impactful, and it's fun because it's yours. But what about you? Is the struggle worth the reward in your eyes? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into tech. Programming isn't just a job, it's a way of seeing the world through the lens of possibility. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the journey is what you make of it. Think about the first time you made something appear on a screen. That spark never really goes away. The complexity of modern systems is a testament to what humans can achieve with logic. Even the quiet moments of contemplation are part of the craft. It's a mental marathon. Your brain is literally rewiring itself as you learn to think more structurally and efficiently. It's about the late nights, the early mornings, and the relentless pursuit of working. It's about the freedom to work from anywhere and build for anyone, anywhere. Every commit is a step forward, a small piece of progress in a much larger story. You are adding your own chapter to the vast library of human knowledge and tools. There's a raw industrial beauty in a clean terminal and a well-optimized script. Passing on that knowledge, teaching others how to create, is perhaps the most fun of all. The scale of the internet is a direct result of millions of people having fun with code. So thanks for being part of this community. Thanks for building, breaking, and fixing. Now go out there and build something amazing. The world is waiting for your next lines. Because in the end, the fun isn't just in the code, it's in the person who writes it. Keep coding, keep dreaming, and most importantly, keep having fun. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye for now. Stay curious, stay creative, stay code-focused.